What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here the best app and website to buy Dogecoin, to have it on a Dogecoin wallet and have the Dogecoin wallet address for you so you can have total control of your Dogecoin. Now, before we get to this app that I'm gonna show you guys here, in my opinion, is the best one to have that Dogecoin wallet. The main reason is because you'll have control of it. So for example, let's say one day you don't like this app, you can withdraw all your crypto, that Dogecoin, to another app that has a Dogecoin wallet, and you can send it that way. You're not forced to sell it because you have that wallet address for Dogecoin. All right, unlike Robinhood or Webull or other apps that don't have Dogecoin wallet, you don't want to buy Dogecoin on those apps. Now if you did, don't worry. Robinhood CEO Vlad, he tweeted saying in the future Robinhood will have a way to withdraw the crypto and all that stuff, so that's a good sign. But if you're buying crypto now, you want to buy it on this app, especially for Dogecoin. I'm sure you guys have heard of the ledgers or the USB ledgers or whatever, that you can cold storage crypto. That's basically gonna make it impossible for somebody to hack your crypto, because you're basically putting it into like this USB thing that has a pin on it, and it just makes it a lot better for you to control your crypto, honestly. And you can basically make your Dogecoin unhackable and have it in good security. So let's get started here with the app that I'm gonna show you guys here. This app is called Binance US. Now I did a lot of research on the apps out there that have Dogecoin wallets, and I just found this one is the best one, the most reliable one, and one that has one of the most Dogecoin holdings as well. Now if I convince you by the end of this video to get this app and buy Dogecoin or other cryptos out there using this app, which has wallet addresses for all the cryptos including Dogecoin, then use my referral code. And the reason why you want to use a referral code is basically because you will pay less on your fees when you buy crypto like Dogecoin using this app. And I love this app because the fees are very low when you use this app the right way, which I'm going to show you guys here and save you guys a lot of time. So I'm going to show you guys here the fee structure on this app. I'm right here on the official page, Binance.us. Now if you're from the UK or Canada, some other place, you can use the regular Binance app, okay, which is probably even better. So if you use my referral code that I'm gonna leave in the comments in the description below, you're basically gonna get a percentage off of your fees. I don't know how much exactly, I think it's like 10% off. So the main fee is right here. So it's 1% spot trading fee. So you guys can see right there, there's a 1%, which is not even that big, right? But if you use my referral code, you're gonna get less than 1% basically. So it'll probably go to like 0.90%. You should say it right here. So right here, if I refer someone and I have less than 500 BNB, which is their token, what do I earn? If you pass advanced verification, you'll earn 20% off the trading fees of the invitee. Okay, and I'm pretty sure the invitee is gonna get 20% or 10% around there. That's another good thing too. If you invite other people, you're gonna get less on your fees as well. But one thing that I recommend, okay, and I know this is a little overwhelming out there, but this is, trust me, you're gonna pay really low fees on your crypto that you buy in this app like Dogecoin. And the spreads on this app is amazing too. They're not huge spreads, and what I mean by that is the bid and ask. So let's say Dogecoin is at 60 cents. There are apps out there that have a huge spread, which, you know, if it's on 60 cents, they'll make you buy it at like 65 cents, right? This app, the spreads are pretty tight. So if they're at 60 cents, they'll probably make you buy it at 61 cents or even 60 point something cents. So I love the spreads and the fees are amazing. But one thing to take advantage here too of the fees is to own BNB coins, guys. You want to buy at least $50. It doesn't matter how much. But when you own BNB and you turn on the feature to take away the fees on your BNB, so basically when you buy and you own BNB, which is their token, you can have $50 in BNB around there. They're gonna take away the fees not from what you bought, but from the BNB. And when you do that, look at this. It goes from 1%, okay, which is right here, to 0.07%, which you're basically saving 0.25%. And then once you use my referral code, you're gonna probably be saving plus 10%. So you're saving a lot on fees. That's basically the thing why you want to use a referral code and also buy BNB. I personally buy like $50 of BNB just so when I buy other cryptos, it can basically take off the fees from that BNB token. And BNB is a good a crypto too as well. So but let's go right here back to the app, and I love the app here. As you guys can see, they have the Dogecoin right there on the news section. So to buy Dogecoin on this app is very simple. You just click on it and then you can press buy, okay, and you just click buy, and you could either do a market order, which basically you buy it at the market price. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 50 Doge. You just place the order and you buy it at the market price, or you can do a limit order, which I recommend, and you can switch here between the US dollar or the Dogecoin. So right now I have $112. Let's say I just want to pay $50 worth of Dogecoin right now, 78 Doge. All right, press place order and then you're set to buy it. Or you can do a stop limit as well. So there's many ways to buy crypto here, including Doge, using this. Now I'm going to show you guys here where to go to your Dogecoin wallet. Now I'm not going to show you my wallet because I don't want to show you guys here my wallet ID, but all you got to do is go to the middle here, which is your wallet, your crypto wallet. Then you want to click on Dogecoin after you bought it, of course, and then you want to click on either withdraw or deposit. So if you got Dogecoin from other apps out there that have the wallet and you want to deposit here, you click deposit. If you want to withdraw it, basically send your Dogecoin to another app. If you don't like this app, for example, in the future, which I don't think is very likely, you just click withdraw and it's going to show you the QR code and the wallet address. So that's basically how you can see your wallet address here for Dogecoin, specifically using Binance US. It's very simple. I'm not going to show you mine for security purposes, but that's how you do it. And what I love too is that in the future, if you click right here, they're gonna have a card where you basically can let me just read it here. Spend crypto anywhere with the Binance US Visa card. You can convert and spend your favorite crypto at more than 60 million merchants worldwide. Just transfer the crypto from your wallet to your card and you're ready to go. Join the waiting list. And you know, this is awesome. You know, this just shows you that Binance US is amazing, and they're coming out with a card where you could basically spend crypto. And like you've seen on Twitter, a lot of people have been saying that in the future you're going to be able to spend Dogecoin on, you know, basically on stores or anything like that. So that's an amazing thing to note here for this amazing app. And if you're still not convinced yet to get this app, let me show you guys here on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is basically an app that shows you so much information about exchanges. Let me just show you guys here which app is the most popular for owning Dogecoin. Okay, let me just look right off the bat. If you go on exchanges, Binance is the #1 here. Obviously it's not Binance US. Binance US is actually #5, but Binance is #1, and it just shows you that Binance is the biggest, you know, crypto exchange to have here. Let's look at here at what exchanges has the most Dogecoin. Okay, you just click on Dogecoin exchanges and you guys can see here the 24-hour volume. Okay, look at this. I don't know how much that is. I think that's 11 billion worth of Dogecoin right there on Binance's #1. And then Binance US is down here, but that's still a lot of volume right there for the 24-hour volume. And Binance US is basically from the same company. So it just shows you that Binance is a very good crypto exchange to have in the app. And yeah, I definitely recommend getting this app if you're serious about Dogecoin or other cryptos out there and having a Dogecoin wallet address. This is an amazing app that's probably going to go even more in the future with this, you know, this card that they're going to come out with where you can spend crypto. And yeah, personally I own a lot of Doge on Robinhood, and I wish I would have known back in the day and bought it on this app. But hopefully in the future Robinhood and other apps out there can have a Doge wallet, and then you can basically send it from Robinhood to Binance.us or any app out there that has a Doge wallet. So that's why it's so important to buy Dogecoin on Doge wallet, because you have control of it. You can withdraw it on a cold storage, or you can withdraw it to other apps and exchanges that you prefer. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In my opinion, best app here to buy Dogecoin, Binance.us. Use my referral code in the comments and also in the description below, and download this app. Now if you're in the UK or Canada, you can use Binance app, which I recommend obviously if you're not from the US. But if you're from the US, obviously use Binance.us. Now I don't know if my referral code works for the regular Binance app, but definitely give it a go and try it. If it doesn't work, then try to find somebody else that has a referral code, because like I said, using a referral code is very important to lower your fees down, and obviously you want to buy the BNB token so you can get less on your fees. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.